I'm Kate, and this is Finn. We live here with Steve, who's my partner.
She's very bubbly, she's very honest and open, but she's also very caring. I wouldn't change her for the world. I'm very glad that she made the first move in Amsterdam, because I'm quite shy.
One of the things I noticed when we first moved from the Netherlands to the UK is we found that, in fact, he wasn't eating really healthy. Almost everything he was eating was pre-prepared. And we just realized actually this isn't how we want him to grow up.
No, it's all done.
We're throwing away a lot of food, which means that we're throwing away money.
Finn.
So we just started the Live LAGOM project. We're going to be focusing on reducing food waste, growing our own vegetables, and also teaching our 3-year-old about sustainability.
So we grew everything in the garden from seed. We had tomato seeds, courgette seeds, we had broad beans, literally everything we did from scratch. For Finn, seeing him come downstairs in the morning and to see if anything had sprouted overnight or how much it had grown by the time we got back at the end of the day. It's been kind of amazing to see how into it that he got. Before we started this, he would just say, oh, food comes from the delivery van or the grocery store. But now he actually understands where food comes from. I think also because we've focused quite a bit on gardening, we're just so much more mindful about what we put into our bodies. We're not buying as much meat. We're not buying as much prepared foods. So that's probably about 60 pounds a week that we've saved on not doing takeaway lunches, not doing takeaway dinners. I'm preparing food, and then any leftovers that we have, I bring to work the next day. So that's been really amazing as well. The benefit of this project has really been us as a family kind of changing our perspective and working towards something. It's quite funny to say oh, I live LAGOM, but literally we are living it that way. It's how we live now. I'm hoping that as Finn grows up, he'll kind of see this kind of behavior as sort of normal. This is how people should live.